enjoy their rainy Saturday?
No.
Yeah. So I see a lot of new faces tonight. Many of you were not here last week.
Yeah, boo-hoo to them. Huh?
I know. Well, let me tell you something. For those of you that were not here last week, you missed quite an epic battle. So last week, we had the Anarchy went up against the Pure Athletes. Woo! Anarchy! Come on, guys! I need you to bring it up a notch! Let's go! Let's have some noise in here! What is it?
I was thinking, am I the only one?
Yeah. So we had Anarchy Tag Team Championship up against Pure Athletes or Pure Losers, Leaping Losers, whatever you want to call them. So basically what happened there is Anarchy purely dominated their asses. We won, no questions asked. For those of you that weren't here last week was my debut.
Yes.
I am Amber Flame. Thank you very much. That's right. So, as you can see, my friend the suit is not here. He is trying to get to the bottom to the worm in the tequila bottle. He's on vacation. So, salute the suit.
Exactly.
So here I am. I am your MC for the evening, Miss Amber Flame. And so as I was saying with the recap from last week, it was quite the epic battle. And my posse, Anarchy, it was a sweep. They just won. It was excellent. It was epic. It was amazing. Just like Anarchy. You know, I'm not biased.
They were amazing. They were.
Like I said last week, because you obviously sleeping and didn't make it, is that Anarchy is the best. And now Amber Flame is associated with Anarchy, and Amber Flame only associates with the best. So that's why I am aligning with them. So that was the big thing. Anarchy was able to take back the tag team championship.
Hold on.
Oh, here we go.
All right, last time, this chucklehead over here, Donnie Wahlberg's stepsister,
Go ahead. I can
interfered
say it.
in my
Let's see
match. She beat me up. They tied me to a post. I got left for dead.
But like, what I don't understand is like you're talking all this talk, but I'm a woman.
You do your makeup in the dark. Look at
It doesn't matter. Like, it doesn't matter when I do my makeup. Genetically, I'm a fucking woman. So the fact that I was able to tie you and noose you in the fucking corner and all this shit, like it doesn't matter. You can keep it. What are you trying to do? The power of Christ compels you? What is this, the fucking exorcist? Get the fuck out of here. Will you get the fuck out of here? Who brought this fucking clown? The Leaping Loser. The Leaping Loser is here. He's present. I mean, what the fuck is this? Why are you trying to rain on my parade?
everybody the best backup dancer to the Richard Simmons workout video.
And what do you need to do, Richard Simmons? You're fucking skinny.
Look at me.
Let's see. Turn around.
For what?
Turn around. Can you do some squats? Let's try to elevate that ass.
What?
Get out of here.
Your
Will you
ass looks like a dump truck.
My ass. Get out. My ass is the prime ass. I have an amazing ass. Alright? Don't make me have to drop it like it's hot up in here, alright? Last week, they were bringing into question my
Don't
tickle
drop
bitties.
it. She'll never be able to pick that back up.
Last week, the item of discussion were my breasts. I'm sorry. I think I have beautiful, bountiful breasts.
Yes, and you got them from your mother.
And I
right,
got
girl.
them from my mother. That's right, because I'm a woman, and that's where we get it from. So anyway, sorry for the interruption, folks. But he's just a sore loser, and he can't take the fact that he was not only dominated by Anarchy, but in a sense, dominated by a woman. I mean,
Yeah.
if I was him, I'd be running around, running my mouth, hiding in the corner as well.
Anarchy couldn't win if it wasn't for you doing what you did.
Well, thank you.
You're the third member of the Anarchy Wrestling team.
I appreciate that. Although, I feel like my boys are the best. And whether or not I was here,
It's a matter of opinion.
they would have won here or there. So that's fine. But I appreciate that, Ed. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome, Amber.
And that leads me into my next segment. So we all know that the suit does the sit down with the suit every week. So I'd like to open up a segment while I'm here called Flirt with the Flame. So, could I get a raise of a hand of who wants to flirt with the flame? Nobody? Nobody wants to flirt with the flame?
I already flirted with you last week in the ring.
Whoa!
As you did. You can't even deny
I
that.
went home and got hot.
Let's keep that in the bedroom. Ed. I need to bring that out into the open.
I did.
All right. So, back there, Ed, my big daddy. I'd like to flirt with you tonight. So why don't you tell me your thoughts on last week's match?
I thought it sucked. The two wrestlers couldn't win without your help. You were the whole friggin' team up there.
All right.
Well, you almost strangled the poor kid. I don't know what. I could see why you'd be angry.
Well, yeah, I mean, if he's not man enough to take on a woman, I mean, I can't fault him for that. He was, but you know what, in all honesty, because he didn't fight back, it means he was raised right, but at the same time, it's like, come on, leaping loser. I can take women bigger than you. So, anyways, so that was the tag team championship. Any insight on the second match that we had?
Oh, did we have a second match?
Oh! Ed, you and I, baby, we're on the same wavelength frame.
Amber, I love you.
Eye to eye, baby. Because I was thinking the same thing. Which leads me to my next topic. You'll notice that our referee, Pontus Jackson, and one of our wrestlers, Mohawk Mike, don't seem to be here tonight. Supposedly, it's because there were injuries. If you want my opinion, if you want the Flames' opinion, the reason why they're not
Sucks.
here. Fuck you! You pipe down. Go cry in the corner. We don't want to hear you here. So anyways, getting back to my segment, you'll have your turn, leaping loser. So in my
Take up the
opinion,
whole ring. Maybe I can get my match in tonight.
don't make me come out there because I will fucking knock you out.
We have to open this door if you want to.
Do we have a KO tonight?
Wow.
Just ignore him. So, in my opinion, the reason why they're not here isn't because there were injuries. It's because they're soft.
You're scared.
Scared, yes, but more so they're just soft. I've only been with CWP for a couple of weeks. But what I've seen is everybody, with the exception of Anarchy, is just a little soft. Always whining, bitch, and moaning. Oh, I'm hurt. Oh, I can't do this. Bitches, buck the fuck up. Here I am, a woman, and I'm here, and I'm fucking running circles around this ring in fucking high heels.
Yeah.
And these bitches are running around, moping and complaining. Oh, my head. Oh, I got hurt. Oh, my teeth. Fuck all that noise. I mean, I'm so fucking sick of hearing it. Buck up, man up, stop being such fucking pussies. And if you can't take the fucking heat, get out of the fucking ring. Am I right, people? All right. So, without further ado, we are going to start the night. For tonight, we've got some great matches for you. We've got 3 great matches for you. And the finale of the show, shall we say, is going to be the Iron Man between my man, Amazing Zod, and Pure Talent. And we'll see that towards the end of the show. So that's going to be the last match, and that is going to be a Iron Man 30 minutes, the most pins, whoever lands the most pins wins. So, without further ado, we're going to start with our first match tonight between Clownley Duke and the Great Giordini. So let's see Clownley Duke.
Clownley, Clownley.
You got something to say?
Shut the fuck up.
Why did you have to pour water over your head? Are you a little hot? You a little hot? I heard you were late tonight because you were in an all-you-can-eat buffet. No?
No,
Yeah?
I'm sorry. I lost track of time because I was at your mom's house.
Please believe my mother wouldn't touch you with a 10-foot pole.
Who would touch you with anything?
You'd be surprised, my friend. I've got people lining up outside my door, but that's all right.
Yeah, paying you money to say, hey, can I get the fuck out of here?
Wait,
Can I get my opponent, please?
I don't think I got that.
AJ now!
Hush it. First
No,
of all,
you shut it!
First of all, before we get started, now that we've introduced a clown, because Pontus Jackson, Christos, whatever the fuck you want to call him, is not here tonight, I need somebody to referee my matches tonight. And do I have any volunteers? Alex!
Yeah.
Let me see where this is gonna go then.
Right straight to your waist.
Just like the Panda
Remember, I'm gonna call it as I see it.
Oh, kind of like the last time you refereed one of my matches.
Did you win or lose?
Let's see.
Did you win or lose? Did you lose? Then I called it right. Back, stand over there. Take it away.
Shut up.
Continue, ignore that.
Hey, Alex, can you
Clowns don't
count to three?
No
Neither do
clowns.
assholes.
So let's introduce the wrestler who will take him on, the Great Giordini.
I know you said that a lot of us were soft.
Yeah.
I still took a blow to the head, went through, and won the fucking match.
So much for that.
Too much time. And yet you're down.
Come on, Giordini.
Come on. Come on. You can scream louder than that.
No, he.
Come on.
Come on, let's go. Mix it up, boys. Mix it up.
Get your ass up. Come on. Get in the corner. Get in the corner, will you? Ooh.
Come on, Giordini, let's go.
Yeah, a little support here.
Come on.
Ooh.
Yeah.
It's close. What you got?
Bring it on, Tubby.
Ooh.
So far, I'm the only one doing anything. What you got?
Come on, Giordini.
Come on, there you go.
Ready? Yeah. Ready? Come on, guys. Get down there.
Yeah, get him.
Atta boy.
Giordini. Anarchy is better. Barry, what was that? What was that?
You give up? No! You give up?
Get the hell out of my face!
You give up? No! Are you sure?
Yeah!
You're not doing very well. Come on! I'm right here if you need help.
Shut up! I don't want your help.
Just say it.
Oh!
Come on, Turkey.
Come on, Polly, dude.
Who said that?
Oh!
Me.
We're talking you. All right. Here, he's in the corner. Break it. Come on.
Break what?
Well,
Break his neck. for
1,
Christ's
2,
sake.
3. Okay, you had till 5. I would have given you 2 more. Oh, no. Like I care about either one of them.
Hey, Alex, did you count?
You just counted to 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Well, I just made 3. I'm ahead of everybody else.
You only got the reason. Count over.
See that? West Ham.
Ref.
1, 2.
Okay. All right.
Count over.
Okay.
You ever think about another career?
Fuck off. Really? Really?
I was hoping it was
Hey,
gonna be
now,
smooth
that
and
I can't let
soft.
go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Watch
You
it there.
impressed me. I'm surprised you could even count that high.
That's your best coordinated motion, isn't it? You little monkey.
All right, let's do a count how long it takes him to get out.
I can't count that high.
I don't see any reason to.
What, he's Clarabelle now? That's not the clown?
He looks like a clown to me.
1, 2.
Up on my shoe.
Oh, you hurt?
This is pride.
You hurt?
Shut up, bitch.
Please. You can't do better than that?
That is his best.
I guess so.
Come on, you two, mix it up. Let's go.
Get up. Get your ass up. What the hell are you doing?
Crack kills! Crack kills!
Shut up.
Hide the crack, please!
That enough?
Hide the crack!
What? Joking.
Yeah, so?
You shouldn't do that.
I don't give a shit.
That's wrong, you know. Every book that says that's wrong.
Really?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, obviously I don't listen.
Yeah. He cheated. Go ahead.
So what, it would be like anarchy now?
I'd give him a shot between the legs if I were you. And not to mention, you can't be anarchy. You're not that good.
You're soft.
Yeah, you're one of the fluffy ones.
1, 2.
Yep, you're the same as the other
Fluff.
referee.
Can I get some peanut butter with that fluff?
At least he can count to 2.
Yes.
That was your comeback?
We have a lot of.
I got it written down.
here.
Do something.
There's nothing there to grab. What are you going for?
Is that all you got? Come on. Yeah.
Come on, dude.
Oh, no.
Right there. Do it.
Right there?
Yeah. Come on, do it. You don't have the balls.
Oh.
Come on, Clarabelle, let's go.
That's it. Oh.
Wow, that must have hurt. That was a great
I
bear, a
didn't
great
dare
load
go.
to bear, my
I
friend.
can't even go near that one.
Come on, Jordini.
Oh, really?
Jordini. Come on, Jordini. Get out of it.
He wants you on your knees. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
We have a coffee with Virginia here. Come on.
What could that be?
Are we in an episode of Oz?
Listen, Danny.
Want me to go on my knee? Fine.
Amber just let me know about that
Uh-oh.
Wait, don't break your fucking back. You're gonna break your spine.
Which one?
Jordini, he's gonna
Had
die.
enough? You give up?
No.
You sure?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Then ask you again. You give up?
No.
That's not good enough. You give up?
Let him tickle his belly, like the Buddha.
Robert, he's supposed to give you good luck.
That's
I don't
right.
think so.
I don't know if you rub the belly of a clown, I don't know what happens.
You get bad things.
You'll get
Stephen King made that famous.
That's true. They'll come up in the drain and bite you.
Do you know that that's really cheating again? Okay? I gave him
Get
the same
him off
speech.
my head, you
Tell
prick!
What?
You heard me!
What?
Get him off my head, you prick!
You calling me a brick?
Alright, how about asshole? That better?
You're not really respecting the elders.
I don't give a shit about him.
Okay, Jordan, you gotta get off. He's crying.
Crying like a little bitch.
There, are you happy now?
Baby, baby.
I had to just save your ass.
Do I
Get in
need
there.
to go find your mommy to get your binky? Little bitch. Get the fuck up.
Oh!
He's still lying on your back.
Something you're used to.
Actually, I like to be on top.
Ooh.
I like to ride it like a cowboy.
Never turn your back on an opponent.
Sure you wouldn't if you thought you had an opponent in there.
Hike up your pants. I
Fuck
want
off,
to give the
bitch.
world a show. Nobody wants to see that mess.
I see a bad blue right.
Come on. Don't make me come over there and break this.
I dare you. He's not going far.
You gotta get out of the corner.
Nah. I'm not going anywhere.
Come on, you gotta get out of the corner. 1, 2.
Come on.
That was 3.
No way.
No, let's do it a half.
I think you need to go back to preschool. Cover your crack. Like I said, crack kills. Can you get a belt or something? Jeez.
Uh-oh.
Where do you go?
Turn around. Ah!
Now what? Get. You should focus on that right there.
What are you gonna use? Fucking aluminum to win your battles?
That's what I was thinking.
I came here for a fight. What the fuck is this?
Ah!
Give up?
No.
Give up?
No.
Give up?
No.
Woof, woof, give up?
Ah!
There you go.
Ah!
He's biting you.
Ah!
He's a fighter.
He's a biter. He's biting you.
Yeah, I feel that.
I don't know if that's illegal. I gotta check the book.
Hold on. Who's got the book? Let me
Who's
hear
got the
it.
damn book on the rules here?
Hold on. Wait a minute. We'll have to wait for the book. Yeah, I can't find the book.
I think he's taking a nap.
Oh!
1, 2, 3. All right. Look at that, your winner, Big Bonini.
My back feels a lot better right now.
Sure it does.
You just made calzone out of him.
Somebody dragged the bum out of the ring.
Roll
Clean
is
up
more
the ring.
appropriate.
Yeah, that's it.
Do we have a throat duck?
Ooh.
Again with the crap! For Christ's sake! Can we get this guy a
Fuck
belt?
off, bitch.
My